Dear students, now let us look at the third-party logistics scenario. Third-party logistics would be very important for logistics as it is evolving. And with the evolution of logistics, 3PL, the concept of 3PL and 4PLs come into existence. This is actually a step forward of a collaboration. We talked about collaborative logistics. So whenever collaborative logistics is created, the firms would be fulfilling three criteria. Now you would know about it. That is the ability to invest. That would be to have a strategic fit. And the third one was the expertise. The firm should have the expertise to actually go for it. So 3PL, now organizations tend to integrate in the forward direction. That is to actually go for the functionality or perform the function which is being performed in the forward direction. Let's say for a manufacturer, the most attractive thing is to become the retailer rather than becoming a supplier. Why? Because as a supplier, as a retailer, the manufacturer could actually get the market information. Market information आपकी product के मुतालिक वो gather की जा सकती है. तो forward integration would be actually the requirement. Interestingly, if you have a distributor between manufacturer and retailer, this would be least attractive. Manufacturers seldomly, I am using the word seldomly because we have a very exceptional example of Walmart who actually integrated backward as a big retailer. They actually become the distributor as well. They own their own fleets and they are distributing, and they are taking everything from the manufacturer in the bulk quantity and then they are distributing it to their cross-docks. But other than that, manufacturers would be least concerned about distribution. So what different big companies and brands are doing, they are actually outsourcing their distributional work. So that distributional function is actually creating a collaborative scenario as well. तो आप जब collaboration create कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर 3PL, third party logistics becomes very important. Now what is a third party logistics? Essentially a third party logistics firm may be defined as an external supplier that performs all or part of a company logistics function. आपकी overall company का कोई logistical activity, वो procurement भी हो सकती है, physical distribution भी हो सकती है, आपकी production logistics भी हो सकती है. Among those multiple logistics activities are included, those that are included are integrated or managed together. When you say integrated, that means the real-time information about that logistic function is being shared with that external supplier. आप उस external supplier के साथ अपनी real-time demand और inventory position level उसको share कर रहे हैं, वो information उस तक पहुंच रही है. And they provide solutions to logistics or supply chain problems. So what could be the types of 3PL? It could be transportation based, warehouse or distribution based, forwarder based, finance based, or information based firms. Now let us actually look at the scope of 3PL or the market size of 3PLs. In North America, the total revenue that is through third-party logistics was $143.3 billion. And if you look at the global revenue, that is even more significant, $539.1 billion on the average. So 3PL is becoming a very huge market, having a big market size as well as scope. Let us look at some of the buyers of 3PL services, and you can identify from this table, which is actually 3PL trends in 2009. If you see different companies, General Motor actually used 49 3PLs in 2009, Procter & Gamble 42, Volkswagen, Walmart 37, and so on. Even Pepsi is using like 30 3PLs. These 3PLs could be transport based, warehouse based, distribution based, finance based, forwarder clearance based, or some finance based scenarios. And if you see, most of the big companies, they are using a significant amount of 3PLs. So if you see the global 3PL market in 2010 revenue estimates, region wise, United States would be having the highest in billions of dollars, with 121.6 billions of dollars, US dollars. Canada and Mexico being the second, and then you could see it is onward. So total global 3PL market, if you see, was 539.1, the statistics which I actually showed you before, that is for 2010 and being reported in 2011. So third party logistics is actually working with the operational, transactional, and repetitive services that were most likely to be outsourced. So when you outsource something, you would have some external supplier of those activities. So most frequently used services were actually transportation and warehouse management systems. Transportation is one thing, and if you are doing some kind of a transshipment, that is, the product is not moving directly from location X to Y. Instead, it is using some other location Z, and first it would be transshipped to Z, and then it would be going to Y. And it is, if it is a cheaper mode, companies actually use it. So warehouse services are also important for those kind of 3PL. So 3PLs have become, they have a big scope, and the market is actually flourishing. Thank you.